I'm just under here assessing the damage from the Northumberland trip. But to be fair, the damage isn't that bad. There's only one or two little things. Main thing is this tank guard has finally given up. It's allowing the fuel tank to hang down. Not only is it an MOT failure, but it's pretty dangerous if your fuel tank's hanging out. So we need to order a new one of these. First we're going to take this tank guard off and assess the damage. Now I can clearly see that the front two bolts have rotten off, so there's only these back two holding it on. Take them off nice and easy. It's definitely seen better days. Let's get on the phone and order one. There we go, ordered. Ugh. Let's get it open and have a look at it. Now with everything that I buy, I try and upgrade to make it better, and this is no exception. This is a heavy duty tank guard, and it is also galvanised so it won't ever rust. But I think it's made from 3mm thick steel and then galvanised. Like I say, probably really simple to make, just for ease of it, it's easy for me to buy. Quick comparison of the two. New, old. This has been going for quite a while, and yeah, it's knackered. There's more rust than there is metal now, and yeah, I don't even know what that is. I mean, it's absolutely knackered, completely ruined. So probably should have been. This is probably the only thing that I haven't replaced on the Land Rover, to be honest. And yeah. Like I say, it's just disintegrates in your hand. I can break it up. It's like a cracker. So yeah, definitely needed replacing. And this is going to do the job nicely. So the rear part is going to be, well, it's the front part, is going to be fitted with new nylock nuts. The back bit is going to be fit with these and thread lock. We'll get the front ones in first, and then we can just lift the back up and attach that. There we fitting everything loosely for now. I'll make sure we get everything in position. Bit of thread lock. There we go. Nice shiny new tank guard. I have to say these definitely saved me skin in Northumberland. Protected my diffs from any rocks. They took a bit of a beating, but they've done the job. Well worth it. Well, that's it. That's how to fit a new tank guard. Simple, easy job. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Really does help the channel. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.